Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing. So this is May's box. So I am obviously doing this late as it is June 1st. Happy Pride Month, everybody. So we are into June already, and I got this box a couple of weeks ago, and I just really haven't had time to sit down and film and do the unboxing, so we are doing it fairly late. So it is June 1st, like I said, but I have been busy. It's summer here now. We have been gardening, we have been camping, we have been doing all of the fun stuff that you do in summer, and I just haven't had time to film. So tonight is the night that I can finally sit down and film. I have so many videos that I am behind on doing. I have a bunch of new products that I really want to do reviews on and first impressions on, and I just haven't had the time to film. I was literally gone all last weekend, and the weekend before that was the long weekend in Canada, so we were out doing things, and honestly, I've just been so busy. So with all of that out of the way, this is May's unboxing for Boxycharm. So this is just the base box, and I'm really excited to dive into it and see what we got, because I actually have no idea what the spoilers were. So this is what the box looks like when you open it up. So this is the card with all of the prices on it. All right, so the first thing that I see is we got memory foam. So that's really great. A lot of the times with these Boxycharm unboxings, they kind of just put like cardboard paper stuff in there, and I really don't like that. It has the tendency of not protecting the products, and the products come broken because Canada Post, I live in Canada, is horrible, and they treat parcels like complete garbage. So I'm really happy that this one came with memory foam. So the first thing I see is a bottle. So this is the Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protecting Mist. I'm very excited for this product. I have been curling my hair a little bit lately. I have been styling my hair a little bit more than I usually have, just because my hair was green for the last 2 months, and it is now back to blonde, as you guys saw in my last video of me removing the green from my hair. But I have been enjoying curling my hair and playing with my hair a little bit, my natural hair, not just with wigs. So I'm excited to get a heat protective product. I'm excited to try this out. I may do a review on this to see if it actually works. It says Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protected Mist. A lightweight spray protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 Fahrenheit or 232 Celsius, and it retails for $27. So 27 USD for 130 grams, which is 4.6 ounces, is actually fairly expensive for a heat protector. So I'm excited to see if this works. I want to know what it smells like. Oh, it smells kind of like vanilla. It has a very, very, very nice scent, kind of like a warm, almost like Christmas scent. I like that. So $27 though is pretty expensive. So we're off to a pretty decent start. So 27 USD. That is basically what I already paid for this box. So that's cool. So we basically have the entire box paid for already. So the next thing I see is a set of brushes. Honestly, these brushes are not my style. They are kind of ugly. They look very cheap, they look very flimsy, and honestly, I don't think I'll keep these. I really don't like the color. I love green, but I don't really like yellow and green together, especially in a brush form. And I also have so many brushes just from subscription boxes and the pop-up. I usually buy Luxe brushes whenever they come in the pop-up, or I just see them on sale. I buy brushes just because I love brushes, but these honestly look kind of flimsy. They feel really, really flimsy, and honestly, I just really don't like the color. I think the color is very ugly. I don't like yellow and green together. Green is my absolute favorite color, but mixed with yellow, not really my thing. I think these are just kind of tacky looking. They kind of look ugly. I don't know. They feel fine. They were very soft, but again, like I said, they're kind of flimsy, and I have so many brushes that I really just don't need another set, so I will give these to one of my friends. Even my friends, though, might think these are ugly. So we'll see. I might keep them just for like a set for like traveling or just extra brushes, because I really like this one right here, this like kind of angled one for eyeliner. But honestly, these are really just, they're ugly. So these retail for $30. So this is the Lavish Essential Eye Collection. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks, and they retail for $30. So $30 for 5 brushes is pretty good. It's not that expensive, but honestly, the brushes, the color of them is just kind of ugly, and I'm just really not into it. I'm gonna put these to the side. I may give them away. I don't know if I'll actually keep them, but honestly, I'm just They're okay, they're not great. Next thing I see is from the brand TYNT. I've never heard of this brand before. So this is a smoky eye pencil. So it retails for $18. So it says, achieve both definition and blendability with this pencil. The unique formulation allows you to create precision and feathered edges with a soft dab of a fingertip or a beauty sponge. The firm yet creamy formulation glides with ease and creates a soft smoky eye and rich defined wings. So $18, and this is a pencil. It looks like this. It is a purple color. It's like a plum color. Let's see if I can show you guys. Looks like that. I don't know if I will really use this or get much use out of it just because I don't usually use this color. This color is very pretty, but when I go for eye pencils, I don't really go for this. So this is interesting. I may try this out, but it's not something I would have personally picked myself, but the color is really pretty. It's a very kind of autumn inspired color. So I think this would be really good for like the autumn season, but not really so much for summer. I don't really go to this color in the summer. This is like a cranberry plum color, and in the summer I go for like rainbow. So not really feeling that for a summer box, but $18 for an eye pencil is pretty standard, so that's okay. The next item is from the brand Tarte. So this is the Shape Tape. Wow, okay. I've never actually tried the Shape Tape from Tarte, and I've always heard that people either really, really love it or really, really hate it. I've also heard that some people think that the ColourPop, their concealer that they came out with, is like a dupe for Tarte. So a lot of people said to go for the ColourPop one. So I've never actually tried this before. So this is an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural, lit from within youthful glow. Diamond Complex delivers a soft focus finish, includes a removable sponge for on-the-go blending, and it retails for $27. That is very expensive. $27 for, does it say? 0.2 of fluid ounce. So 6 milliliters for $27 is very pricey. I'm interested to see if I got the right color. Yeah, I got the right color. So I got the color Sunbeam. So it looks very, very close to my skin color already. So I don't know if this will be one that I really will use for under the eyes, just because I don't particularly like using concealers under the eyes. And this one actually looks similar to what my foundation is. Usually when I do a concealer around my eye area, I go for a very, very light one just because I want a base for my eyeshadow, and I usually go a couple shades lighter than what my actual foundation is, just to make it so that the eyeshadow is brightened. And this is basically the color of my skin already, and it does have a shimmer in it, so that's the Diamond Complex, so that's really pretty. I don't think you guys will be able to see it really on my hand. It's very hot in here, so I'm kind of sweaty as it is, but it looks exactly like my actual skin tone already. So I think this will be really great for blemishes and maybe in the high points on my cheeks, but I don't think I'll really use this for under the eye, just because I don't know if it really will give me that much of a brightening effect, but it might, just because there is the shimmer in it. But at the same time, I don't know how I would really feel about having shimmer underneath my eyes before I have eyeshadow on. So I don't know about this product. This product is really interesting. I will give it a try, but I think I would have preferred to get maybe a shade or two lighter, just so that I could have a brightening effect underneath my eyes, because that's usually what I do for my concealer. This is the concealer I usually use. As you guys can see, it's a very light concealer, and this is the shade Fair 03 from Dose. So I usually go for a little bit lighter of the concealer, as you can see, but this one is a little bit lighter. And that's just my personal preference. That's what a lot of YouTubers have told me to do on when I'm watching their videos. They always say go for a couple shades lighter for a concealer. So that's just what I've learned from YouTube, and it works for me. So I would say that this is basically one that will work really well for blemishes. Well, the shimmer in it is interesting. It is basically the color that I would use for blemishes, but I don't know if it really will work for my under eyes. But I also just don't really use concealer on my under eyes, because I don't usually use concealer on my under eyes anyway, just because I tend to have a lot of creasing under my eyes, and I think it makes me look worse than if I just don't put anything. So I don't usually do that anyway, but I'll try it definitely in my high points, and I can try it before I try eyeshadow, and we can see. That's all I can really say for now. So $27, that is very expensive. So we are at $102 already, so that is really cool. So the last product is an illuminating eye serum. I'm sorry if you guys hear the street outside right now. There is cars that are zooming by, and they're zooming by really, really loudly, and it's very unnecessary and it's really annoying. So please ignore that, but it is happening out there right now and it's irritating. So this is the Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum from the brand Beekman 1802. So I would say that for $42, the packaging is bullshit. They sent a complete plastic packaging. It's not glass, it's not anything special. It's honestly looks kind of like a sample. It looks like a sample kind of packaging that you would get from like Sephora or something, and it's a very, very, very cheap packaging. So I would say I'm not impressed by the packaging so far, and for an illuminating eye serum, $42 is very inexpensive. So I'm not that impressed with this product. We didn't get a single product in here that was actually like, oh my God, that is so expensive. Everything was basically right around what I expect for the product, but I would say that Dewy Eye Illuminating Cream is usually a little bit more than $42, so I'm interested. So it says, say goodbye to fatigue and awaken tired eyes with a highly concentrated, clinically proven eye serum. Powerful blend of active goat milk quickly absorbs into skin for hydrating revitalization that illuminates eyes while helping to fight the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. Retails for $42. So this looks like a sample. It is 15 milliliters, so I would say that this is very, very small. I understand that it's an eye serum and you really don't need a whole lot of it, but the amount that you get is very, very small. And I would say that to call this a full-size product, I don't really think so. In my personal opinion, it doesn't look like a full-size product. It probably is because it's an eye serum, but I feel like we kind of got ripped off with this. $42 is very inexpensive. I don't think it really needed to come in this cloth, plus the full plastic packaging is unnecessary. And this itself is very, very cheap packaging. So I would say I'm really not impressed with this product. I will definitely do maybe a month-long test using it, but I would say not that impressed. It doesn't smell like anything and the consistency is water. So that is interesting. I will definitely try this out for you guys and let you guys know what my opinion is. Just from a first impressions though, not that impressed. But that was everything that was in this month's box. So that is the eye serum, so $42. So the total box retailed for $144, which is pretty standard for the base box for Boxycharm. It honestly was an okay box. There really only is 2 items in it that I wasn't really that excited for, which were the brushes and the eye serum. I'm really not that excited for. The eye pencil was a interesting color, definitely not a color I would have chose for the summertime, but it is a very pretty color and I'll definitely try it out. And everything else was pretty great. I'm excited for the heat protector and I like the fact that I finally get to try the Tarte Shape Tape. That is really cool. So this box wasn't too bad. I'm very, very sorry that it is so late. I know we are into June and you guys have probably already seen so many unboxings for May and I've already gotten billed for June's box, but I wanted to pop on here today and just say hello and let you guys know that I'm just very, very busy right now. I am going to be hopefully filming a lot of videos in the next couple of days, so you guys will have content again, but summer is very busy time for me, so if I don't have 3 videos every single week, it's just because you guys know I'm living my life and I'm in my garden. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please come check out my profile. I have redone my banner on my page. I have worked really hard on some spooky content and some spooky intros, and let me know what you guys think in the comments down below of my banner. It took like 4 or 5 hours. I worked really hard on it and I really like it. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys like my new banner. If you guys have watched my spooky video that I recently put out last week, it has a brand new spooky intro that I made. I pieced together, I guess, from some other templates, and then I created some things myself, and it's just been really fun. So please let me know in the comments down below if you guys are enjoying my new content, my new banner, my new intros, and let me know if you guys got these same products as I did in your Boxycharm. Let me know if you guys are still interested in Boxycharm videos, and if you guys are trying other subscription boxes that you guys may want me to check out, please let me know in the comments down below. Have a conversation with me. I would love to chat with you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys at the next one. Bye!